In this guide, I'll show you how to use GoHighLevel to capture and manage real estate leads. If you want to follow along or try GoHighLevel yourself, there's a link in the description below for a free 14-day trial. By setting up a simple funnel, automating text follow-ups, and tracking everything in a pipeline, you can create a streamlined system that helps convert prospects into clients. To begin, log into your GoHighLevel account and create a new funnel inside the Funnels and Websites section. Give it a name such as Real Estate Buyer Leads and start with a landing page. Design the page to attract either buyers or sellers with a clear headline like "Find your dream home in Austin," "Get the newest listings first," and a short subheadline such as "Sign up below to receive instant alerts and exclusive access to homes before they hit the market." Add visuals of properties or neighborhoods to make the page more engaging and place a bold call to action button labeled "Get Listings Now." You can fully customize the appearance of the landing page by opening the Style tab inside the drag and drop editor, where you can adjust colors, fonts, spacing, and backgrounds to match your brand. When linking the button to your form step, take a moment to make the form as useful as possible. Instead of just asking for basic details like name, email, and phone number, you can add custom fields to capture information about the lead's real estate goals. For example, you could ask whether they're looking to buy, sell, or invest, what budget range they're considering, or which neighborhoods interest them most. These extra details help you qualify leads immediately and tailor your follow-up communications. After the form is complete, guide visitors to a thank you page that confirms their submission with a message such as "Thanks for signing up." Check your phone for your first listing alert. To increase engagement, you can also place a booking link on this page, inviting leads to schedule a consultation or property tour with you directly. With the funnel created, the next step is to automate follow-ups. Inside the automation section, create a new workflow triggered by the form submission. Add an action to send an SMS that might say, "Hi, first name, thanks for signing up. I'll be sending you new property listings that match your criteria. Are you looking to move within the next 6 months?" This not only confirms their interest, but also starts a conversation. You can add additional automated texts or emails to share property guides, featured listings, or reminders. Once leads start coming in, you can organize them with GoHighLevel's pipeline feature. Create a pipeline called Real Estate Leads Pipeline and define stages like new lead, contacted, viewing scheduled, offer made, and closed. Every time someone fills out your form, they will appear in the first stage. You or your team can drag their opportunity card to the next stage as progress is made, such as moving them to contacted after a phone call or to viewing scheduled once a showing is arranged. Pipelines can also be tied to automations. For example, when a lead moves to viewing scheduled, the system can automatically send them a text reminder about the appointment, or when a lead is moved to offer made, a notification can be sent to your team. When everything is ready, test the funnel by submitting a sample lead yourself. Make sure the landing page flows into the form, the thank you page loads properly, the SMS automation triggers instantly, and the test lead appears in the pipeline. Once you confirm it works, publish the funnel and begin driving traffic through ads, social media, or your website. From that point on, GoHighLevel will handle lead capture, follow-up, and organization, leaving you free to focus on building relationships and closing deals. If you're thinking about trying GoHighLevel, remember to check out the link in the description. It gives you a free 14-day trial so you can test everything we talked about and see if it fits your business.